What's up? It's me again, John Vaughn. And look, before you run off and check your email and get access to your free MySimpleScript framework, I want to make sure that you never actually find yourself in the dark, not knowing what to say when that sales opportunity pops up. So I really want to actually help you step into the light and make sure that you always know exactly what to say whenever that opportunity presents itself. So I want to again help you step into the light and always have your scripts at your fingertips exactly when you need them. And that is exactly the reason that we've actually created the MySimpleScript software. Now you can get the MySimpleScript software, and on a side note, I love my wife so much. You can get the MySimpleScript software and always have access to your scripts exactly when you need them, right at your fingertips. Now look, I know you can get more leads. I know you can start conversation with those leads. I know you can transition those conversations into sales calls, and I know you can overcome whatever objections your leads throw at you, and I know you can close those sales and make more money. You just need the right words. And with the MySimpleScript software, you'll never actually have to go looking through your computer, wondering, where are those scripts? Where did I put those scripts? Where are my words? When you have a hot lead that's wanting to talk to you now. With the MySimpleScript software, it's an easy to use software that has all your scripts at your fingertips right when you need them. Not only that, but it's also fully customizable where you can customize any of the scripts. You can add your own scripts if you want to add your own scripts. So it's a fully customizable software that's always there whenever you need it, so you never actually have to look for your scripts. And as we come up with more and more scripts that will actually help you convert leads into paying customers, we're going to be updating those directly into the software, and you'll get those new scripts every time we make an update. So if you're interested in getting the MySimpleScript software, it's really going to actually help you save so much more time and convert more of your leads into paying customers by always having the right words exactly when you need them, when the opportunity presents itself. So you can look right down below, and you can either take the monthly plan, you can take the yearly plan, or if you're smart and a genius like I know you are, you just take the one-time fee option. So just look below. There's the order form. You can go ahead and sign up and get instant access today to MySimpleScript software and literally always have the words you need exactly when you need them. Never have to look for them, so you can close more of your leads into paying customers.